It's October 9th, 2022. Just gonna give you a quick look at the garden after a month of being out of town. You can see the moss rose are still flowering. The wildflower pot is dead, it's overwatered. The raspberries are doing really well. You can see a lot of berries are still forming. Gonna harvest a lot of berries today. However, most of them have fallen because it wasn't harvested. Over here is the mulberry. I think the leaves are changing color now. Here's the ground cherry. You can see the seedlings have grown quite a lot. Hopefully we'll see some flowers soon before the season change. Here's the blueberry. Leaves are also changing color. And you can also see some of the new growths, like these one over here. Over here's the tomato. It's getting quite messy. Lots of dropped tomatoes on the soil. And here's the Cuban sweet pepper. Still lots of peppers forming. This one looks like it's gonna be ready to be harvested pretty soon. Here's the shishito peppers. Here's a red one, but here's a few more green ones. Also jalapeno. A few new peppers has formed. And here's the beet. The leaves are a different color now. It's darker red and purple. Peony leaves are also changing color. The lavenders are still sending out a lot of new flowers. And the grape looks about the same. And this is the harvest for today. 2 jalapeno peppers and 4 shishito peppers. And over here some tomatoes. Here's a bunch more tomatoes. Just gonna rearrange that. And over here some raspberries. Also harvested some of the lavender flowers that I'm gonna use for making some syrups. And for the orchids, the dendrobiums are actually flowering now. It's actually just this one pot flowering. I'm not seeing the other one. But yeah, you can see the flowers are forming now. It's about the same time as last year actually, like September, October-ish. And here's the mini oncidium. Flower spikes are getting quite big. And this one over here, you can see the flower buds very clearly. The flowers are forming. And the lady slipper orchid flower has opened. This is probably gonna be the only flower from this orchid this year.